to character using the air particle toggle. Under utility toggle, we have this air particle. When you turn it on or when you turn it off, it doesn't do anything. But this was added for the purpose of something like this. The AY female complete comes with 50 hairstyles, and they are all polygon hairstyles. But I added this 51 because I wanted to show you how to use the air particle toggle. So right now, when you want to animate, or if you have so many of them, it might slow down your viewport or slow down your animation. So that's why this toggle is there, to help you on or off the particle air system. So I'm going to select this. I have two particle air systems driving this style. So I can just come to air particle, right click, copy as new driver. So when I copy this, I'll go to the air, right click, paste, right click, paste. So I'm going to paste it. So with this button, this toggle here, you can turn it on or turn it off. So this can speed up your animation process in your animation scene or in your viewports.